The Hawaiian petrel and the Newell shearwaters are Hawaiian endemics, so they're found nowhere else in the world. So if they disappear here, they're gone forever. The birds are being slowly pushed into the northwest, so here's like one of their last strongholds. What we found is for 20 years, the species declined dramatically. So it's a 94% decline for the Newell shearwater and a 78% decline for the Hawaiian petrel. I mean, that's like a catastrophic population collapse. I think everything that we've done over the last years has shown that if you manage these colonies well, they respond, that they will increase in size, that the birds will survive to fledging, and they will come back and they will start breeding. Conversely, if you do nothing to them, if you just leave them to get on with it, they will definitely disappear. I feel positive about the future for these birds because we do know what we're doing and we do know how to save them. But I also feel that it is a forever commitment. It's not one of those things where you can do it for a couple of years and that's the end of it. They need managing forever. One cat could get up to a colony which you've worked for 10 years on, where you've seen all these like huge changes, positive changes, and then the cat gets up there, it's left to its own devices for a year and all that hard work's undone. We could take each bird and put them in a box and then carry them all the way through the forest back to the helicopter site. And then a helicopter comes and takes us to Kauai, where they'll be met by a team who will then take the birds and take them to the Nahoku site. And there they'll then be looked after and fed for 3 or 4 weeks until they fledge. So all these different entities, it's not just a single project, it's all these projects coming together to save an endangered seabird, which is pretty awesome really, to think about all these different organizations and all these different people working together to make sure that these species thrive on Kauai and don't go extinct. You know, they are up in the watersheds. They are partly responsible for making the watersheds. You know, it's their guano, all those marine nutrients that they brought up into the mountains, which are key for the growth of all these native plants, all the ohias and the aluhe, and all these different plants that are up there that are holding the watershed together. It's important to recognize the role that these birds play up in the mountains, particularly when they were there in such huge numbers in the distant past.